Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Rhino-Rack shovel. It's strong, long handle design, which is built tough to do some serious work, whether you're at the tracks, on the beach, or just prepping the campsite. It uses a square mouth blade, which is powder coated black to help resist corrosion. It also comes in at a total length at 141 centimeters, giving you real leverage so you're not hunched over the whole time. Weighing in at just over 2 kilos, it's nice and lightweight, so it's not going to blow out your roof load rating if you're mounting it up on top of the car. The handle is made from a contoured non-slip material, so it stays secure in your hands no matter the weather conditions. And the shaft is made from a lightweight multi-core fiberglass, ensuring that it's lightweight and strong, and it doesn't feel flimsy. And so that is the Rhino-Rack shovel. It's built strong, it's lightweight, and it gives you the confidence no matter where you're digging.